How to use a waffle maker. 5 tips to breakfast perfection. Waffles, beloved by people of all ages around the globe, are a delectable and popular choice for breakfast. Their delightful, crispy exterior, paired with a soft, fluffy inside, makes them a favorite for both children and adults. Whether it's the deep pockets of Belgian waffles or the classic grid pattern of regular ones, each variation possesses its own unique charm. Indulging in these delights is truly a delightful experience for the senses. But how do you achieve that perfect waffle at home? The key is understanding how to use a waffle maker. From the basic steps to a few pro tips, mastering the art of waffle making can turn any morning into a special occasion. So, even if you're using a modern electric waffle maker or a traditional cast iron one, there are specific techniques and tricks to ensure your waffles come out golden brown and delicious every time. Keep reading to learn the ins and outs of using a waffle maker to create mouth-watering waffles from the comfort of your kitchen. Step-by-step guide on how to use a waffle maker. 1. Gathering your supplies and ingredients. Before diving into the world of homemade waffles, ensure you have all the necessary supplies and ingredients. For a basic waffle batter, here's what you'll need. Waffle iron, also known as a waffle maker. Mixing bowl, whisk or hand mixer, measuring cups and spoons, ladle or cup for pouring, silicone utensil for safely removing the waffle, a damp cloth or paper towel for cleanup. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 3/4 cups milk, 1/3 cup vegetable oil or melted butter, 2 large eggs. 2. Preparing your waffle maker. Before you start, familiarize yourself with your kitchen appliance. Is it a rotating waffle maker or the standard kind? Does it have an indicator light to tell you when the waffle is done? Knowing these details can make the process smoother. Before making waffles, I recommend wiping the inside of the waffle plates with a damp cloth to remove any residual dust or debris. Never immerse your waffle maker in water. It's a big no-no. Before you pour the batter, oil the waffle maker. Using a silicone brush, apply a thin layer of vegetable oil or a non-stick cooking spray. This ensures a non-stick waffle every time and prevents your delicious waffles from sticking to the side of the waffle plate. 3. Preparing the perfect waffle batter. There are many waffle recipes out there, from yeasted Belgian waffles to the classic American type. I recommend using a batter that fits your taste preference. For a quick hack, you can even make waffles from pancake mix. To avoid overflows, ensure you're not using too much batter. Typically, about ½ cup of batter per waffle should suffice, but this might vary based on the type of waffle you're making and the size of your waffle iron. 4. Let's make some waffles. Before pouring in your waffle batter, ensure the waffle iron is fully heated. Most waffle irons will have an indicator light to let you know when they're ready. Once preheated, open the waffle iron and pour the batter into the center. Remember, do not use too much batter to avoid messes, and close the lid firmly. Allow the waffle to cook until it's golden brown. If your appliance has an indicator light, it will signal when the waffle is done. If not, I recommend checking after 5 minutes, but be careful not to open the waffle maker too often. Patience is key. Once your waffle is done, gently open the waffle maker. Use a non-stick utensil, like a silicone spatula, to remove the waffle. This ensures that you don't scratch or damage the non-stick surface of your waffle plate. 5. Caring for your waffle maker. Post-cooking. Allow your waffle iron to cool down completely before cleaning. Wipe down the plates with a damp cloth or paper towel to remove any leftover batter or crumbs. Remember, never immerse the waffle maker in water. Store in a dry place. If your waffle iron has a cord wrap feature, make sure to use it to keep things tidy. Waffle maker tips and tricks. 1. Read the instruction manual. When it comes to making waffles, taking the time to read the instruction manual is of utmost importance. By familiarizing yourself with the specific guidelines for your waffle iron, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to create delicious, golden brown waffles. Each waffle maker may have its own unique characteristics and nuances that require slight adjustments in your cooking approach. So, if you're aiming for that perfectly crispy and fluffy waffle, don't forget to dive into the instructions for optimal waffle making success. 2. Keep an eye on the steam. If your waffle maker lacks a ready-to-eat indicator, observing the steam can assist in determining the readiness of your waffle. Consider waiting until the steam subsides before removing your waffle. Once the steam dissipates, your waffle should be perfectly cooked. 3. Don't check on your waffle. Wait for the indicator signal of your machine or until the steam subsides. Opening the waffle maker prematurely may result in a torn waffle. Ensure your waffle is cooked to perfection before unveiling its deliciousness. 4. Don't overfill. Pouring too much batter can lead to spills and unevenly cooked waffles. Generally, about a 3/4 cup of batter for large waffle irons and a half cup for smaller ones is sufficient. 5. Pay attention to how your waffle sticks. If your waffle is consistently sticking to your waffle maker, there are a few things you can try to improve the situation. First, consider adding more nonstick spray or butter to the machine before using it again. This extra layer of lubrication can help prevent the waffle from sticking. Alternatively, you can experiment with adjusting your batter recipe by incorporating more butter or vegetable oil. This can enhance the nonstick properties of the batter and make it less likely to stick to the waffle maker. 6. Don't put it in the dishwasher. Avoid putting your waffle maker in the dishwasher, as it is a delicate piece of machinery that should not come into contact with water. However, if a waffle iron is specifically labeled as dishwasher safe, you can remove the metal plates and clean them in the dishwasher. Final thoughts. Mastering the art of making a perfect homemade waffle starts with understanding your waffle maker's unique characteristics. Before diving into the process, always ensure the waffle maker is properly preheated. Greasing the waffle plates is crucial to ensure your waffle doesn't stick and achieves that desirable golden brown finish. And above all, after each use, it's essential to let your waffle maker cool down before attempting any cleaning, which ensures both the safety and the longevity of your appliance. By following these guidelines and recognizing the specific nuances of your machine, you're on your way to creating delectable waffles each time.